You guys, hey, it's Angel. So this is the keto taco shells. Now these I used mozzarella and cheddar cheese. I used about 3/4 cup of cheddar and just like a little bit of mozzarella, and I used a little chili powder. What I did is I put them on, they were on a baking sheet, just 2 circles. You make the circles about 6 inches, and as it cooks it's going to spread out a little more. But this is your setup. You need to set up like some high glasses or 2 tall cans to sit these on, and you want to wrap 2 wooden spoons in tin foil and put them on top of the glasses. And then once your shells are out, you let them cool for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you take them and you lay them across the spoons, and they kind of shape up like a taco shell. And so there's your keto taco shells. Very simple.